Welcome to today's Cybersecurity Lab tutorial. In this video, we'll configure user account control settings in Active Directory to strengthen authentication security across a corporate domain. This is a hands-on walkthrough using group policy management on a domain controller. We are strengthening authentication security by configuring user account control, or UAC, settings directly in Active Directory group policy. You are the Security Analyst for CorpNet.xyz, a small corporate network with a single Active Directory domain. Your task is to ensure UAC settings are consistent and aligned with industry recommendations by configuring them in the default domain policy on the domain controller, CorpDC. Step 1. Open Group Policy Management on CorpDC. From Hyper-V Manager, select Corp Server, then double-click CorpDC. In Server Manager, go to Tools and select Group Policy Management. Step 2. Open the default domain policy for editing. Expand the forest and domain structure. Right-click Default Domain Policy and select Edit. Step 3. Navigate to Security Options. Under Computer Configuration, expand Policies, then Windows Settings. Continue navigation to Security Settings, Local Policies, and finally, Security Options. Now, configure the UAC policies as follows. First, ensure admin approval mode for the built-in administrator account is set to enabled. Set the elevation prompt for administrators to, quote, prompt for credentials, and disable. Allow UI access apps to prompt without secure desktop. For standard users, set the elevation prompt to automatically deny requests and keep detect application installations and prompt for elevation enabled. Ensure run all administrators in admin approval mode is enabled. Note that only Elevate executables that are signed and validated should be disabled in this configuration. Also, only Elevate UI access apps in secure locations should be enabled. Set Switch to Secure Desktop when prompting for elevation to enabled, and also ensure Virtualize File and Registry Write Failures is enabled. Next, we save and apply these configurations. After configuring each policy, click OK to save. These settings will now apply across the domain, ensuring consistent and secure authentication behavior. In this tutorial, we configured UAC policies in Active Directory to strengthen authentication security. Consistent UAC settings help protect against unauthorized elevation and ensure compliance with industry best practices. Stay tuned for more Cybersecurity Lab tutorials.